खुब गाहाम सबैको नमस्कार कतन हामबाय First of all, I want to greet you. Happy Christmas, Happy Drink, and advance Happy New Year 2022. Tinijang state level merit award ni function o function ni sabapati president chini respected chini principal secretary Puneet Agarwal ji and present chini additional CU CK Jamatia chini honorable MLA Dhirendra Deborma TMDC Ganesh Deborma and my director Dr. Vishal Kumar and all the staff of the department and media friend. Last not the least, my dear student. Since I'm now Patek Bosoro, every year we are organizing this merit award, which means to identify that the merit student, thus to encourage them, thus to give them respect and honor for their work, for their hard work. Since Saimano, there are around maybe 4-5 lakh students. Out of 4-5 lakh students, here we are only 27,000. Not even lakhs. Out of 10 lakhs, we have identified only 27,000. That means the maximum 80%, more than 80% are left out to get merit award. Now you have to realize you are the chosen one. You are the selected one because of your hard work, because of your performance, your extra performance, which we give the award, which we give the honor for your hard work. This is the real meaning. Why we are organizing every year this kind of merit award. Just to give regard to you, to respect, to honor of your hard work. Why everybody is not availing? Why everybody is not getting opportunities? 80%, 90% students are left out of this award. Bari bagi ni khagana nangai, no David kaham ke mapore nai. Jadi kang ma officers dok sai tangka. No os dure nok mana nai. Has to have announced more than 3 crores. No ni account ham nai. Some are 500, 600, 3,000, 4,000 like that. Sing khakra na. Because of we are OST, we are scheduled tribe. Only scheduled tribe and scheduled caste are enjoying this kind of opportunities. Because we are belong to scheduled tribe. And others, though their performance 100%, 80%, 90%, they are not getting chance. There are many students, they got more than you, their mark is better than you, but they are not getting chance, they don't get even single piece. Because we are ST, we are self-drive. Therefore, we are availing these opportunities. Jeng boroma kakana, buitam maya ba, jeng tam human, tam karo. Nyau sa kabang satu kaham tang bui. Kita baru maya. Prashan kaza basi. Sen kici sedang nomor mana sen? Use makai. Baru use kai nai, ani pore mazaga. Not buying the mobile, not buying your shoes, not buying your dresses. You can buy good book. You can buy good pen. Because books will give you knowledge. Dress, shoes will not give you knowledge. So we are giving an award, merit award, to gain more knowledge. We are giving some money, little money, for what? To encourage you. Not for buying your shoes, not for buying your mobile, not for buying your dresses. I will appreciate if you buy a good book. Good books will bring you knowledge. And knowledge will give you power. Once you earn the knowledge, you will have the power. You have power to dominate others. You will have power to rule others. Therefore, modern age we are living, knowledge is a power. If you have a less knowledge, you will become what? Therefore, we have to gain knowledge. That is our intention. To give a little award, just to encourage you. Here I got data. This year, we are giving you around 27,000. Last year, only 8,000. Because merit is award is increasing because of this year we are not having exam, written exam. We are giving with maybe through internet and all, I think, online and all. Therefore, that's why I think we are getting more merit student. If you really sit down and write, I think we will not get this much student. I am happy that this year South Tripura got highest award. South Tripura, defeating all the districts. That is South Tripura. I have got a report here. South Tripura, South district, we have a 6,441 students. They got award. South district. I think most people are maybe from west. South district got highest award. Maximum award of the student. And minimum who got Unukoti district. Unukoti district have only 639 students. 639. Whereas South district got 6,441. The rest West Dolai came. Ang sama kamusitri. First of all, you are all student. We young, age, energetics. What is your duty now? Your priority. See, we have to select the priority of basis. Wherever you go, first you have to choose the priority. If you do not know your priority, then you will not win. Now your priority, what is your priority? Tell me. Any student, come off, tell me. What is your priority now? Study. Now your priority is study. After you study, you can do whatever you want. Therefore, any request about them. You are all students, they are growing up. Long way to go. Still you are learning. You are young. Many days you have to go. There is a thing I want to tell you. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate what? Anybody? If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate And what tell? You cultivate flower. It will give you result. If your vision is for 10 years, you cultivate what? Tell me. 3. There are 3 things I will tell you. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate flower. Nene khaka mani wan so mani ek bosan bagin kai khom kai di. No khom manai. Nene wan so mani nene vision is for 10 years. You cultivate flower tree. No khom kai di. Rabat dal kai da. Kaken da manai rabat padi manai. You'll get something. But if your vision is for eternity, or maybe I can say, if your vision for 100 years, what you'll do? You cultivate people. If your vision is for eternity, you cultivate people. Which means you educate the people. Once you educate it, it becomes eternity for you. It becomes permanent. Therefore, you have to cultivate people. Which means to educate the people. Therefore, our vision should be like that. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate flower. If your vision is for 10 years, cultivate trees. If your vision is for eternity, cultivate people. Which means to educate people. Once you become educated, you will become asset of yourself. Nobody can take away because you are educated. When you die, only you live. But your wealth, your tree, your house, your bank balance, your property will go away. But if you are educated, you become asset of yourself. When you die only, it will go away. Therefore, education is very important. But education, it becomes asset. Nini baboni komo jaga tongmana, rang tongmana. Nang jadi educated ni angkai. Even you do not know how to manage. There are a lot of examples I can tell you. Ganang besar. Jumatan besar, terus kamu itu, kamu example tu, tanggai, bo, abang manage kena dengar, bebet hoke jangnai, bebet ting jangnai, ni house kering thanai, but once you become educated, ni rangkari pun mano, you may not have any money, you may not have any poverty, you may not have a house, but once you educated, you can go anywhere, you can survive. Bombay Delhi even if you go abroad, you can survive. At least you can survive for yourself. But in modern age, sing sikha belai nam. Sikha kering kai, sing besi kese mangai. Besi koto yang nai, nang beri tola matom nai. Abo nang sadi, nang besi bentang betong nai. Beri se genang, kereng, keplai nam soang kai, nang tang makai nai, nang kereng man nai. Knowledge betong nai. Even among the student, among your classmate. If your classmate, your friend is better than you, more knowledge than you have to respect him. You have to obey him. Isn't it? Because he knew better than you. He has more knowledge than you. Which means he will control you. Because nowadays it's competitive age. Your own friend, your own classmate know better than you, have more knowledge than you, which means you have to bow down to him. You have to respect to him because he know better than you. Mari bagai, nang tanam mau musana, Nâng kering nam sung. Nâng reng na hai tam hai nai. You have to study hard work to know better than others, to gain more knowledge than others. That means you have to work hard. Therefore, again I am telling you, we have to perform extra activities. Nung bisa kering nam sung kai, nung bisa kabang ma pore nai. Boy kabang ma pore nai. Somai kabang ma pore nai. Engke senang bisa kering nai. Nung bisa pore maya. Ninsai bai kabang pore pore. Engke bon ninsai kutlai. So now it is up to you to decide whether you want to become winners or losers. Nung dari keplai nama sumang kai. Nung berislai extra sama maklai nai. Extra sama kai yang klai. Nung berisai kesem om nai. Now it's up to you to decide. Nung keplai dari nai, kesem dari nai. Nung semai matang nai. Bagi young generation, like you people, have to decide. Or can help him here? There is saying, even God cannot help you until unless you help yourself. First you have to help yourself, then God will help you. There is no anything shortcut method. There is no freelance. But if I say, young generation have to come up with determination, with desire, willing power. Desire first and foremost, my request, you have to be desirous. Willingness is very important. Now you decide. I have a desire. I want to become like Dr. Vishal Kumar, IS official. I want to become like Tanusri Department, IS official. We have few IS officers in Tripura. I want to become good doctors. I want to become ministers, good ministers, political leaders, social workers, professors. I want to become something else. I want to do something. Before I die on this earth, everybody will die one day. I will die, you will die, everybody will die. Kau ketang sana payah jaga, ang ketang tongsak, osung sara tongsak, cikun sesabu. Ang ane samas datang bagai des bagai samu kerana. Nintan ko, omai bisa siapa? I'll do something for my society. Boleh bagai, no, jodoh cikla cerai, nrok angkam apa orang ni, bakal yug mengenai. One day I also become good leaders, good speaker, maybe pastor, whatever it is. I want to do something for my society. Nunggu kaham pelai kai, ini society no butuh nahi. Yes, boleh sama kaham pelai kai jatuh dia bagi doa dia bagi. Dia will remember you. Kita tu boleh, nang ham dia kelai orang butuh mana? Tahu nang sekali ang ham dia kelai ni ham dia kelai. Kaham kelai boleh butuh macam mana? Ham dia kelai mana butuh mana? Hadi pona, hadi buri, hadi boleh. Cirin, dua panas, nosok kelengga, hai kelengga, bosan. Kaham kelai ko bosan. Therefore, ani request ni, nol kaham ke tongdi kaham ke poradi. Jeng protect pasoro, so kira jeng ni award roi tong, jeng masa roi tong. Not only that, I want to tell you. Last week, I have seen in the maybe newspaper. Our department had given 3 crore 21 lakhs. 3 koti. And people may not know what is crore. 3 crore 21 lakhs Sangrika. One time financial assistant. 1 lakh Sangranika. Only ST. We may have. नंमाय बुंमान अर्थ दं सामैया जेबरो 50% मार्क बनि काजा बो डॉक्टर खाइ दं इंजीनियर खायो नर्स खायो जे प्रोफेशनल कोर्स परेनो छ 321 जन 1 लाख रां लेखा बरना वन टाइम हेल्प बरो स्टाइपेंड मन नाय स्टाइपेंड अब एक्स्ट्रा सी स्टाइपेंड एवरीबॉडी विल गेट स्टाइपेंड बाडे अमन पुइले तिपन हिस्ट्री गो आगे ओ महिया को बारो सादिन परेगो कुनो समाव महिया को जों जे छात्र का हमनो 1 लाख के जों रां रिगो वाइसने अब तुम तो मैया आगे ओ माइसं मैया जिन कताल सुरा फेम परेगो 1 लाख जों तुम तो खाली बरि नाय जों छात्र का हमनो जेब्रो 50% मार्क माननाय मैट्रिक बाय 12 बानायनो जों 1 लाख के रां रिखा थाने बस मासा छोट तिब्रा समाखा तावक तेचिने गुरुकुलो orang sartin beriaudi bang besi bag beriaudi jabro badin pass nai 12 pass nai jengborno 8 mas sebagai train roi to software training computer software 8 mas sebagai roi to biop course ninga ek pajaro nai teno situ training siniya nono training bero english kok sanani hindi kok sanani buye bhage ব্যবহার খাইনাই abujun training ro बरिबा खागो चिनि किन्तु गोबां गभर्नमेन्ट जों साहाय्य खायो ओ साहाय्य रेसन सामु माबु माथे पानाय our fund our money should go to the right direction right place बरिबा आंतनि अबन कइनाय जत्त चिनि अर फाइ मादा फाइनाय चिनि अभिभावक चिनि गार्जियन द माम बाबु तंग नेनि अग्रा तंग चिनि मास्टर तंग चिनि अफिसार तंग जतन कइनाय जों गाहाम खेमा फरायनाय गाहाम खेमा तंनाय जों गाहाम मांनाय चिनि बेसिन को हाक्राक मांनाय जे तै जों दिनै गणेश गाहाम को खसायना बे जों अबाय चिनि नासा खायमा द द्राग रन जों माया गारनाय अब दिन मां बेलाय हजो सायमाने तेबां दिन बेलाय खुसि गरो मैक्सिमम maybe 60% above are all girl student and wherever I go I have seen always girl is a front beri सबसे आगो तंग चिनि समाज अब बेलाय गाहाम बरिबा आं जतन कइनाय नेर गाहामके परदि गाहामके तंगदि चिनि गार्जियन नो रेस्पेक्ट खायदि चिनि मास्टर नो बुआ फरनो चिनि सिनियर नो रेस्पेक्ट खायदि ओंख्लैना खागावो जों आशीर्वाद माननाय तै जत्त चिनि छात्र छात्री आनि पाइफ्राय हामबाय तै ननि मागै बिसिगताल जतन हामबाय